Clean Bandit and Zara Larson on Q103 playing all the biggest hits all day long. I got the Vamps new one for you now, and they played in Manchester last weekend at the Arena. Don't worry though, if you missed them, don't panic. They're going to be back in Manchester on July the 8th playing the Academy for a matinee show, which is a bit weird for a band to do like an afternoon city. Is that because all their fans are so young they have to be in bed by like 7 o'clock or something? I don't know, maybe.
They teamed up
with Martin Jensen for this one.
No, trying to put the emerging turn, are you? What, you letting everybody merge or what? You're supposed to merge in turn! Why are you letting me merge?
Not you, not you.
The woman there behind you!
Not you. Lee.
What's your problem? Just merge in turn! Hey, go on, you old